One. Welcome to the first topic of our generative AI playlist. Before we dive into advanced concept, we need to build a strong foundation. So today you will finally understand the difference between AI, ML, DL and GenAI. Clearly, simply and with real world example. Imagine you move to a new city. You don't know the roads, you don't know the shop, you don't know anyone. But the moment you land, someone walks up to you and says, "Hi, I'm your personal assistant. I'll help you with everything." That assistant is AI. AI is like having a helper who can think a little bit like humans. Let's say you tell your city assistant, "Please tell me the fastest route to my hotel." It checks the traffic, road conditions, timings, and guides you. Ask it, "Is this restaurant good?" It reads reviews and gives suggestion. Ask, "Remind me to call my parents." It sets a reminder. This assistant is not super intelligent but smart enough to help with daily tasks. That's AI. Now imagine something interesting. Your assistant starts learning your habits. For example, day 1, you go and order cold coffee. Day 2, you order cold coffee again. Day 3, again you order cold coffee. By day 4, even before you ask, it says, "Should I order cold coffee for you?" That is machine learning. Machine learning is when your assistant observes pattern in your behavior and improves from it without being explicitly told. But now imagine an upgraded assistant, one that doesn't just simply understand pattern but can understand complex images, sounds, and language. You show it a photo of a puppy and it instantly says golden retriever. You speak fast and it still understands. You show blurry traffic signals and it recognizes them. How? Because this assistant now has something powerful, a neural network. This is deep learning. It works like a mini digital brain with layers that understands deeper and deeper pattern. And then comes a super upgraded assistant. Not only does it understand things, it can also create things too. You say, "Write a poem about my city," it writes it. Create an image of me standing on the moon, it generates it. Write Python code to sort a list, done. This is generative AI. AI that can produce new content based on what it has learned. Now let's go back to the story. The first assistant, basic helper, AI. The assistant who learns from your habit, machine learning. The one with a mini brain recognizing image and speech, deep learning. The one who creates poem, art, code, generative AI. So think of it like this: AI is the whole world. Machine learning lives inside AI, deep learning lives inside machine learning, and generative AI lives inside deep learning. So let's compare our assistants again. Classical machine learning learns simple pattern like learning your coffee order. Deep learning understands complex data like recognizing your voice or face. Generative AI creates new content, writes stories, make images, composes music. Each one is more advanced than the previous. And also remember, traditional AI classifies, predicts, and analyzes things. You can ask questions like, "Is this a cat or dog?" And it will answer. Generative AI, on the other hand, generates. So it can generate a story, it can generate a picture of a cat or dog. So now you understand what AI, ML, DL, and Gen AI means, how they connect, why Gen AI is the next big revolution, and how today's AI is powerful but still narrow. And the story of your smart assistant who keeps getting smarter. In the next video, we'll explore how generative AI actually learns and generates things.